The security arrangements for the festive season in Kisii County and generally the whole country is good. I've witnessed the traffic management, the entire country is in good shape. We want to thank the officers that we a little bit did an extra effort and we did it differently. And that is why we've had free flow of vehicles. So I really want that these 2025 Christmas holidays to be peaceful, to be enjoyable, and to have a meaningful society in terms of security arrangements. So I'm asking that the members of the public to continue to support us, maintain peace and order. We want those who are traveling using vehicles and motorcycles and pedestrians to observe traffic rules so that all of us can arrive to our destination safely. We were there yesterday with the CS Interior, and there is good progress. People have started going back to their farms and their homes. The security is now taking shape. Those criminals, we continue to look for them, those who are perpetrators of that crime. We are looking for them, and we will continue to put pressure until the security is attained. You heard from the CS himself, he gave a 7 days amnesty for those people with illegal firearms to surrender them and enjoy the amnesty. Come fast. As the CS and I indicated yesterday, that come fast, we will do what you're supposed to do to get those guns in wrong hands by force, or we'll make sure that they will return, whether they like it or not. So really, we are telling the people who are perpetrators of those crimes, whether you are an inciter, alarmist, taking people round the cycles within Transmara, that your days are numbered.